Klassic 750-watt 4-jar mixer grinder in white and lavender. It is also available with 3 jars. The plastic grinder comes with 3-speed control and 304-grade stainless steel blades. It has a built-in overload protector. The flow beaker jars come with break-resistant polycarbonate jar lids. The grinder comes with 3 hygienic stainless steel jars, liquidizing jar, dry or wet grinding jar, and chutney jar, and 1 polycarbonate jar. It comes in a size of 40.5 by 30 by 28.3 centimeters and weighs 5.3 kilograms. The box contains the butter polycarbonate jar of 1.75 liters with fruit filter, food pusher, chutney jar of 4